So this is the unboxing video for the Easy Core system. Here is the prices that I ended up getting from a local place here in town. One other thing to think about is that you're going to need a handle if you don't already have a handle. Now fortunately for me, I was able to buy this this collet for 22 bucks to make it work inside of the handle that I already own. But other than that, you're going to have to buy your own handle, which pushes this thing the direction of about 900 bucks. So there you go. This is an unboxing that I've been looking forward to for some time. I got the Easy Coring system, and yes, I got all 4 blades. Do you need all 4? No, you probably don't. But I've got one huge lathe, so having this knife is important to me, this 16-inch knife. So I've got the 16-inch knife set, 13-inch, 11.5-inch, 9-inch, and then I bought the 24-inch base, but as you can see they've got the 16, 20, 24, and 26-inch base. Now with a lot of my unboxings I try to open the box in front of you, but I had to do some reworking. So this wrench comes with it. Yay. There's the 24-inch base, by the way. You need to pull these screws and turn this thing around to where this points. See how it's kind of shaped like an arrow at the bottom? You want that to point in toward your lathe. It initially points this direction. I'm not really sure why they do that, but you've got to flip that around to make it work. Let's see. So it came with the DVD in there. By the way, the DVD is junk. It is horrible. The instructional video looks like it was recorded with a flip phone. Easy Core, if you guys from Oneway are listening to me, please, for the love of God, have somebody redo that video. The guy who did it is great. He did a good job with it, but the recording quality is just really poor. And there's some details of your tools that really need to be explained. Everything that you have on your tool should be explained. What is this little hole? I'm assuming it's for the laser, but I don't know. I don't remember if it actually explained if this flipped around. I think it did, but that there's a plug on the inside of this, that there's an offset. Well, let's go ahead and open this up. So in each blade set, you get the warranty knife set information that basically says, hey, if we've got bad parts, we'll replace them. But if you bend it, it's on you. So that makes sense. And basically, I think it says 50% of the full cost for the cutting insert. This gives you instructions on how to sharpen your cutter. They make a little device that holds this, a jig of sorts, and it's probably worth buying. Every box comes saran wrapped like this. So you've got the blade and then the cutting blade that comes with it. 2 nuts that go at the bottom of your blade sets. There's also a cutter. Not sure what the thumbtack is for, not really sure. There's an Allen wrench and a set screw for putting the cutter onto the tip of your blade. Now, every one of them is like that. Same setup. Now, I took the liberty to open one of these boxes so I could get one of these set. And let me shift some stuff around here. Here we go. I've already attached the cutter here. Now the advantage of this system is if you've got a bad cutter or you wear the cutter out, you unscrew it, get rid of it, get a new one, rather than having to cut something off and resolder, which is a big deal. Not everybody has the ability to do that. Like I was telling you at the bottom of this, there is something that will help you with the depth, though there's a little nut that needs to go on here. I didn't catch that in the original video. I had to figure that one out on my own. And then the other thing that comes is the additional blade. I don't know what this hole is all about. I've always wondered that. I wish that was explained. And then inside of here, like I said, there's the thumbtack, these two nuts that go on the bottom of your cutter head, and your blade that works as your support blade. That does have an Allen wrench setting on it, and it has something on the threads to keep it from getting stuck. So that is the Easy Core setup. Now, if you have a funky lathe like mine, you know, my lathe is something different. Mine has a 36.5-inch throw. Right now I've got a 22-inch platter on here, I think, that I've been working on. So I had to build this to get my coring system up off the bed of the lathe high enough to make it work. So basically it's just a platform. Now mine is way overbuilt. You wouldn't have to go this route. Honestly, I think you could stack up some steel slabs to make up the difference. You wouldn't have to go the route of welding this beautiful box. Yeah, this is great. Anyway, so that is the system. Something more to know is on the bottom of this attaches with one nut that goes down through here, or excuse me, one screw that comes down to a T-shaped nut that sits underneath your bed. Make sure you measure your bed and know the size. Yeah, so that's it. I'm really excited to use this. I'm going to post a video soon of me using the entire system and tell you my thoughts. But thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope you have a great day. Please add comments. If you have one of these systems and you've got some advice for me, please let me know. And those of you who have questions, if I can answer it, I'm happy to do it. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and do your comments. It really helps me. You guys have a great day. Good turning.